If you want to transcribe a voice recording on Samsung Galaxy A27, first of all, we need to go to the voice recording app. So let's open the voice recorder. Then you want to simply start playing the recording that you want to transcribe. And then here at the top, we have this icon over here. We're going to tap on it, this one right next to three dots. And then we need to wait for the transcription to be done. Of course, keep in mind that the longer the audio recording is, the longer it's going to take to create the transcription. And there we go, here it is. You should also be able to tap on any of the words in order to immediately jump on the recording to that phrase when it is being said. You should also be able to, for example, press and hold your finger at any place over here to edit the transcription in case something is wrong. And besides that, you can tap on these three dots in the upper right corner to remove the transcription or transcribe the recording once again. Here we also have the option to edit the transcript text as well, so instead of pressing and holding a finger, you can just go to these three dots over here and do so. You can also hide speaker labels as well. If you don't want to really separate speakers, then you can hide it. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.